cutter, wing label marker, punch down tool, cable stripper, faceplate, module, and a Cat6 cable. The first thing that we will do is to unwrap the module from the plastic. What we really need from the plastic is this two: the module and the insertion cup. This is the module and this is the insertion cup. This insertion cup is a protection for the wires if it's already connected to the module. Now we are going to take a closer look to the module. So as you can see in the side of the module, you will also notice that there's already a number and some letters and the colors that corresponds the color coding of the module. You can see that there is already standard A and standard B, and what we are actually using is standard B, and the color coding will be blue, white blue, brown, white brown, and from the other side the white green, green, white orange, and orange. And if you are going to check the back side of the module, you will see that there's a hole from the back. This will be the left hole, and the left slot, this will be the right hole, and this will be the right slot. Now if you quickly see the side of the module, you see orange and white orange at the corner, so it will go to the left hole. White green and green will be on the left slot here. So from the other side, you will see blue and white blue is in the corner, so the same thing as the white orange and orange, it will go to the right hole, and the brown and white brown will be placed in the slot. Now that we know about the module, what we're going to do is get the Cat6 cable and just strip the jacket of the cable using the cable stripper around 2 inches or 2.5. Then cut it out, take out the cable jacket, and cut the plastic in the middle of the wires. Just be sure not to damage the wires. So after splicing the cable jacket, you will need to get the module, and as what I've said before, just since we are using the B standard, we are going to place the orange and white orange in the hole, since the white orange is in the corner, and from the other side will be the blue. It's gonna be in the right hole. So as you can see, white orange, orange, white green, and green is in the left side of the module. So you have to make sure that the cables are in the right color coding. So what you're going to do is just to just to put the orange and the white orange, just untwist the wires and put it in the slot. Okay, after doing it all in both sides of the modules in the proper color coding of the module, the next step that we are going to do is to cut all those excess cable outside the module using a punch down tool. So this is going to be our punch down tool. As you can see, the both edge of the punch down is not really same size. This is much longer than this one, so meaning to say that this will serve as a cutter. So just to be sure, just look at the edge of this one. This will be the cutter, the longer one will be the cutter. So this edge will cut the cable in the module. So this is how to punch down a module. So you will just hold it firmly with your hand. So as you can see, the longer one will be the cutter. So the side of the cutter will be outside the module. So it will be like this. You will just punch it down by your palm, by your hand, and the other one. And you will see that as I punch down, the cables are going out. The cables are being removed. So this will be the excess cable, and the other one. Okay, and one more. Okay. So you're going to reverse the cutter from the other side, so just punch it out, and the other one, and then okay, just take it out because it's already cut, and the module is already done. So what we are going to do is put a protection on top of the module using the insertion cup, which is this one. Just hook it up, just put it in place on top of the module, and just put the pressure on it. You can use your hand, or you can use the pliers to put the insertion cup in place. Now the connection is okay for the module. Now we are going to put a faceplate on the module. So just unwrap the faceplate, take it out from the plastic,